In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paste text without formatting into Microsoft Teams. This is a really useful trick when you're copying text from a website, document, or email and you don't want extra fonts, colors, links, or strange spacing to come along with it. Pasting without formatting helps keep your team's messages clean, consistent, and much easier to read, especially in professional chats or channel conversations. To begin, copy the text you want to use with the standard keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C. This copies the selected text to your clipboard just like normal. At this stage, the copied content may still carry its original formatting, which is exactly what we want to avoid when pasting it into Teams. Next, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat or channel where you want to send your message. Once you're there, click inside the message box so your cursor is active and ready to receive the text. Make sure you're clicking in the actual message field because the keyboard shortcut needs to be applied right where you want the plain text to appear. Now comes the key part. Instead of using the normal paste shortcut, which is Ctrl+V, you'll want to paste the text as plain text using the designated shortcut. In this case, press Ctrl+Shift+V. That tells Teams to insert the copied content without bringing over the original formatting. When you do this, the text should appear in a cleaner, simpler format. That means no unexpected styling, fewer formatting issues, and a message that matches the rest of your conversation more naturally. This is especially helpful if you're pasting from sources like Google Docs, web pages, newsletters, or other apps that often include hidden formatting behind the scenes. If the pasted result doesn't look right the first time, just make sure the message box is selected and try the shortcut again. It's also a good habit to quickly review the text before sending, just to confirm the spacing and line breaks look the way you want. That's all there is to it. Copy your text with Ctrl+C, click into your Teams message box, and then press Ctrl+Shift+V to paste without formatting. It's a simple shortcut, but it can make a big difference in keeping your Microsoft Teams messages tidy and professional.